How to move pictures from iPhone to iCloud. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign-in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. On this page, scroll down and tap on iCloud. As you can see, your iCloud storage is already full. Hence, some photos aren't syncing and backups are paused. Go to the Saving is Paused section below and tap Photos. Over here, turn on the Sync this iPhone option. When syncing is on, your phone library will no longer be included in your device backup and will back up on iCloud instead. Following these steps, you can easily move pictures from iPhone to iCloud. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.